Now I'm going to show you how to navigate the Workplane. Okay, let's get started with navigating the Workplane. I'm going to click on this object that I worked on before. I'm going to click Tinker this. Alright, now one way to zoom in on the object that you're working on is to use the wheel of the mouse. So if I roll up on the wheel of the mouse, it zooms in. If I roll down on the wheel of the mouse, it zooms out. Another way to zoom in is to press the plus in the circle on the left. So every time I press that, it zooms in. If I want to zoom out, I can either roll on the mouse or click on the minus over here that's inside the circle. If I have many objects on here, or if I just want to get the closest view I can and see all the objects at the same time, I click the circle with the outline box, and that will zoom in as close as it can and still be able to see all the objects that I've worked on. To zoom out to a full view and return to the Workplane to the original position, click on the Home button. Now, you can also rotate the Workplane. In order to rotate this Workplane to give you a different perspective, I'm going to hold down on the Control key, and I'm going to hold down on the left button of the mouse, and I'm going to make sure the mouse is over the Workplane, and I can move the mouse. Remember, I'm holding the left button of the mouse and holding the Control key at the same time. Now I can move the mouse up. I can even go underneath the Workplane, see? And I'm holding this right button, or excuse me, the left button of the mouse down, and I can zoom all the way around and go anywhere I want on this Workplane. Alright, now if I want to get back to the original position, if I forgot where I was at, I can just click on this Home button and it'll take me back to the original position. So let's say let me zoom in again. To slide your view, I'm going to hold down on the Shift key. Now I'm going to hold the right button of the mouse. Press that down, hold the right button of the mouse down and the Shift key. Now I can move the mouse and I can slide in any direction. So it's not rotating, it's sliding. If I wanted to rotate it, I'd have to press the Control key and the left button of the mouse and rotate it. And now if I want to slide it, I hold down on the Shift key and press the right button of the mouse, and I can slide left, right, up, and down from that same perspective that I rotated to. Now again, to get back to the original home position, I press Home. And that's how to use the rotate and the slide and the zoom. And it comes in very handy. You need to be able to see your object from all the different directions. Pretty cool, huh?